Hello viewers, we are marketeers from Indian Institute of Management, Bodh Gaya, and today in this video we will discuss wristwatch and smartwatch market in detail with you. As you know, what industry in this last 2 decades has changed drastically, and this change also led to the change in market behavior. In this video we will learn about segments, market outlook, market size, branding strategies. We have covered the wristwatch segments in three parameters, that is, by product type, by application, by operation outlook. In this generation, consumer mainly prefer smart, water resistant and squat watch. They purchase wristwatch for daily use and some of them for collection and gift purposes. In this generation, people usually prefer hybrid and digital watches because they have some significant features, and companies also focus on targeting that segment. So what are these market segments? By product type: sports watch, luxury watch, diamond watch and etc. By application: daily use, outing, collection, gifts, others. By operation outlook: quads, digital, analog, hybrid. Next comes, what are the major companies? Timex, Timex Group India Limited, Titan Limited, Koishio and other such are the major players. Now let's look at the market outlook. Opportunities. Position as an accessory. The position of wristwatch have become more of an accessory than a necessity in the recent past, with factors owing to penetration on the mobile phone, other applications which are replacing the basic functionalities of the wristwatch. Status symbolizing impact. Even with all these commanding a vintage and antique status, wristwatch have changed the times in order to look and feel more modern. With the advent of growing income and improved living standards, wristwatches are back in action. Increase in acceptance by women. The women's segment of watches have grown owing to their use as an accessory like bangle, bracelet. With further evolution, it is hoped that wristwatch will stay in demand in the years to come. Apart from this, increase in disposable income and wide variety of product ranges are few. So, what is the restraints? There are few constraints. Price fluctuation of brands. Price fluctuation in different models of various branded products is a major constraint for buyer, as it creates disparity in prices and bad reputation of companies. Market situation. The stringent rules and regulations by the government remained a challenging factor for the market developers. The rapid changes in the economic strategy may slightly hamper the growth of the market. Changes and update in technology. There is a very strong competition among brands to create a top notch ahead in terms of product offerings and update to new, improved, and better technologies. Substitutes prevalence. There are various products that fulfill the primary requirements of watch, and this is a huge loss to wristwatch market as it reduces the demand tremendously across all segments. Apart from that, loss of exclusivity due to mass market production and loss of aesthetic are few. Next comes opportunities. High scope in technological changes. As the wristwatch market is growing with the trending technology, it provides a big opportunity for brands to make technological advance and may take on market. Developing trends on for exclusivity. Due to changes in the trends, there is huge demand for brands to create products which cater to the upper strata of society and make high value products and take exclusive profits. Wide scope of audience. Wristwatch is a product which is consumers from almost all demographics and income levels, so it is a product with huge market size and scope. This provides opportunity for large scale operations and revenue. Wide variety of segment. Wristwatch is getting bigger in terms of variety of products like smartwatches, analogs, antiques, premium and so on. This provides an opportunity to specialize in these segments and to grow. Let's come to the market size of wristwatch. One of the fastest growing segment in the watch industries are the smartwatches. The primary reason for being watches have become affordable, ranging in the price range between 2000 to 10,000 rupees. A lot of varieties available in this range, and the main focus is of youth segment. Also, due to advent of COVID, checking one's fitness parameters have become very important and a part of everyone's individual life. Smartwatches are equipped with features like heart rate monitor, sport tracking, and other activities like sleep, run, etc., which people are able to check at one place, and that is smartwatch weared on the wrist. Looking for notification, calls, messages have become easy without looking out for mobile because of the smartwatches, as all of our mobile functions are connected to the watch. If we look at year on year growth of quarter 2 of the year 2021, the growth is of approximately 450% of fitness, sports and health conscious consumers are having a great demand for smartwatches. According to the current data, Noise is the market leader in smartwatches with 28.6% market share, followed by homegrown brand Boat with 26.9% market share. Next, let's come to the latest trend in the market, wristwatch market. Now we will see the latest trends that have happened in the recent years. The smartwatch's invention demonstrate how technologically evolved our civilization has got. The modest but most important piece of electronic equipment is getting increasingly popular. These little devices can be less bulky and operate almost as well as smartphones because of their various features and capabilities. Here are some of the latest trends which are observed on mobile notification and operation: fitness and workout tracking, heart rate monitoring, alerts for abnormal ECG reading, blood oxygen level tracking, GPS tracking of workout, make recognition, etc. Increased consumer spending on health monitoring gadgets has resulted from a rise in health awareness among consumers around the world in recent years. This has resulted in an upsurge in the smartwatch sales as it provides wide range of monitoring capabilities that allow users to control music, notification, walk tracks, heartbeat rates and other features, boosting market growth. Let's come to the smartwatch psychology in India. Let us have a look what people of India have their beliefs about smartwatch market. If we compare the smartwatch with traditional or conventional quartz watches, the quartz watches are still the market leader as the smartwatches are still not penetrated in the rural market. Also, majority of people in India trust more to buy watches from offline store rather than online market, especially through mono brand stores, which is hampering their growth compared to the quartz watches. Also, the people who are interested in collection of watches will show most interest in them as they love the product to be more unique. Now, looking into the challenges that the industry face, the wristwatch industry is very vulnerable to the global economy and technological disruptions. Every company is putting quite a sum of money and time into R&D of technologies. The advent of smartwatches have hampered the growth of analog watches. The millennials are looking at smartwatches as their new gadgets or gift which provides tons of features. Analog wristwatch market has shrunk due to Apple and MI watches. Analog watches have seen bad time earlier as well, so we can hope that the craze for analog watches will return once the hype around smartwatches subsidize. Reducing physical meets and pandemics have brought down the demands for the quartz watches but increased demand for smartwatches. Now let's look at some of the branding strategies. Now we will discuss the various branding strategies. There are many branding or marketing strategies, but we will discuss different strategies. First one is to advertise through televisions, which company uses various channels such as news, sports, movie, cartoon, educational, music and so on. Secondary, various print medias are used for branding of watches such as newspaper, magazines, catalogs, posters, hoardings. Also, various social empower activities done for school, villages, non-profit organizations. Affiliated marketing is used to attract customers through referral by giving some commissions. Internet ads is the modern marketing strategy. Advertisement of similar products related to video content are placed in between, or ads are put on blogs and websites. Email marketing is also an effective marketing strategy as it targets interested customers and subscribers, so probability of sales are more there. The last strategy is sponsorship. The different national, international events, college and university events, conferences and business summits. Let's take at the let's take look at the latest partnership in the wristwatch market. Now we will look into the recent partnership happened in the wristwatch market. Some of the recent partnership are as follows. Casio Computer Company Limited, Casio's Edifice team with Formula One team for a second 2-year deal in February 2020 to promote its watch brand Edifice globally. Titan prepared FTS USA LLC, an American watchmaker, in 2019 to open an assembly facility in United States. Benetton has decided to team up with Timex to produce a collection of trendy timepieces for men, women, and children in India. Apart from licensing agreement, Benetton will provide creative input, with Timex will be in charge of overall design, production, and distribution. Sonata, Titan's company's most popular watch brand in India, has partnered with Flipkart to launch its new sub-brand Epic by Sonata, a value fashion watch collection. So this is it. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Comment on this. Thank you for watching.